Alright, we're here fixing to get some horses done.
Today's Lego creation, a cave. And this is where they mine for gold.
Yeah.
Is this gold?
No, those are like...
Oh, lights.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're over here at the third farm, and I think we might just have two here. Most of the time, James will have the ones he needs me to do in this holding lot, and I don't know, he might have sold some of them, but anyway, looks like we might just have two here, but it's gonna be like, as you can see, he's about 1,800 or 1,900 pounds, so it ain't really like shoeing two. It's gonna be more like shoeing 6 or 7.
Cleaning the windows. You coming out? All this humidity out here. Looks like somebody washed these windows, doesn't it? I actually don't hate cleaning windows. It's one of my favorite things. There you go. I mean, like, you know, maybe not favorite. Of household chores, it's my favorite. Yeah, one of my favorites. But like, I don't wake up excited that it's window cleaning day, you know?
I'm gonna reach those high spots up there.
That's okay. The egg delivery boy is here.
13.
13? Thank you, sir. We're gonna try this pepino melon. It seems like I might have tried one of these before. Cece made me a bracelet. I'm not sure how you cut this.
Ooh, that looks
it cuts straight through, yeah. Oh, it looks kind of like a kiwi in the middle and a cantaloupe on the outside. See? There's Johnny. You want a piece, Sissy?
No, thanks.
No? Yeah, you don't want a piece. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. You want to try, Manny?
I hate stuff with no flavor.
It's almost like a cantaloupe, kind of. Tastes like a cantaloupe to me. What about you, Jonah?
Yeah, it does.
They want to try the cactus pear. Me and Titus tried one of these this morning.
It looks kind of like a beet.
Mm-hmm.
Was it good?
It's better than this. And this one's really easy to peel, so you just can pull it right out. It kind of tastes like a pear and a pomegranate combined a little bit.
When this is cut, do you want one of these? No, thanks.
Not a lot of flavor in either one of these. If y'all have had them, tell us what you do with them. Do you just eat them, or? But neither one of them are very sweet at all.
Cut open one of these.
That's a peach. You want a peach?
What peach? That's a peach?
Yeah, that's a peach.
Cut it open. I want to see the inside. This is where you cut it, Mama.
Here you go. Peach. It's really good.
Sissy, these are really good. You want to try it?
We tried the
Can you see the
pepino
chop
melon,
on
and
it?
it tastes like a sugar-free cantaloupe.
Does it?
Yeah, here.
That ain't good.
Can you hold this? Yeah. Hold a little.
Y'all remember that old cotton commercial? We're having a mix-in ice cream party. We're gonna use some Bluebell ice cream, and I'm just gonna put some different little things here that the kids can pick to mix in with the Ninja Creamy.
I want the gummy bears.
You want gummy bears? Manly gave us this idea, didn't you? I was gonna save it for Friday night, for movie night, but they're too excited about it, so we're gonna go ahead. We got Reese's Pieces gummy bears. And I'm gonna put some butter. I'm not gonna open these. I'll just put them right here and y'all can pick what you want, okay? I also have some of these Andes mints. I think Sissy said she might want to use some of those. We've got vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla filled up that good?
We got another one in the other freezer, don't worry. We're becoming an ice cream parlor. All right, Mr. Man, what you want in yours? You want vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla. I want gummy bears in mine.
Gummy bears? There you go. Johnny, you want vanilla or chocolate? Or vanilla? I pointed to the wrong ones. Vanilla? Okay. Nobody's gonna want chocolate? I got the chocolate because I figured they might want to mix Butterfinger or the Reese cups with some chocolate. Okay, there you go. Add in what you want. All right, Cece, is that good or a little more?
That's good.
Okay. There you go. All right, Manly's going with just vanilla and gummy bears, so we add just a little bit of milk. Not much, just a little. Okay, you want to press it? Press mix in. Ready?
Okay.
You think it'll chop up the gummy bears?
Oh,
Jonah's got a monster here. Everything. A little bit of everything in there. Sissy is going with vanilla and the Andes mints. Andes mints. Was the guy's name Andy or Andrew? Anyway, they wanted to call it Andes instead of his name because they thought that men wouldn't want to give their girlfriend or their wife chocolates with another man's name on them. So they called them Andes mints instead of Andrews or whatever it was.
I didn't know that.
Modern marvels. Tyler wants his to be a milkshake, so he put a lot more milk in his. He used chocolate ice cream and one Butterfinger.
Yep.
Chocolate Butterfinger milkshake. Okay. Now, I'll rinse this off now, Tyler, so you don't get a minty taste in there. Chocolate Butterfinger milkshake. Can you taste the Butterfinger? No. You probably should have put 2 or 3 of those in there. Oh, I forgot about our Mama's morning blend down here.
You want to do the morning blend? You want to do the morning blend tonight or do the 8 o'clock?
We'll go with 8 o'clock.
We're going to go 8 o'clock, folks, and we got the beans again.
Yeah, it just don't feel right to do Mama's morning blend at night. 'Cause
No.
The morning, oh, just those fresh beans, even they just
Smell wonderful.
smell that.
Ooh, it smells good. It's another day of working in the sun. Let's get us a little coffee here. Hopefully we can get all these horses shod today and be done by about 1:30. Some weird weather today. It feels kind of like fall out here. Wind's kind of blowing. This is our second farm here. We got a nice breeze going today. Little babies right there. The mamas. There's mama right there. That one's tough to catch. That one right there, the one inside the bay horse, sometimes can be a little hard to catch. Look at her riding that pony. What's her pony's name again? Dreamer. Dreamer.
It's lunchtime. We're gonna make the Bang Bang chicken sliders for lunch today. Titus and Tyler are already done. They left before daylight this morning, so they're already home. The original plan was we were gonna use the chicken that I bought to make these, but I realized I did still have some of this Aldi Kirkwood chicken in the freezer. That's gonna be easier, so that's what we're doing. We'll just use like half a piece of the chicken for each slider, so I'm just putting the rest of these 5 in here. We already have the oven preheated to 400, so we'll just let these cook. 20 minutes per side. These take about 40 minutes, but they're really good. They taste very close to Chick-fil-A's chicken. We'll go ahead and mix up the Bang Bang sauce. That way it's already ready when the chicken gets done. I don't have any Kraft in there. We know Titus doesn't want that blue plate. I do have blue plate, but we'll go ahead and get our Kraft from down here. Kraft mayo. We need Sriracha sauce. We're gonna use this Chick-fil-A kind. And we need that sweet chili sauce that we got.
I think I just saw it somewhere. Here it is. We got some of that going on right there. He's relaxing over there.
Sweet chili sauce.
Sweet chili.
We also need honey. Come to the honey store. This is Titus's collection of honey. And this is not all of it. We've used a lot of it.
Yeah, I've done been through it, you know.
Now this is sorghum, so it's not honey, but
this is actually out now, so we need to.
We probably.
This is some more.
Is there enough of this Bear Gap? No, well, that one's empty.
We probably need to throw these two away right here.
Yeah. Now this is a whipped honey.
That's
it's a lemon.
Yeah.
Whipped honey with lemon.
I actually like the whipped honey, and I got to be honest with you, the kind that I really liked before was
peach, wasn't it?
Peach. Yeah, that stuff was good.
Daddy, you gotta go get some honey. We're down to 2. I guess we'll use this.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, honey.
And I'll wash these because we'll keep these jars. Memories.
Memories.
We drink stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is really easy. When the chicken gets done, we'll just cut it into smaller pieces. We have some little small rolls that we're gonna use for the buns. And you just put the chicken on there with some mozzarella cheese, which I need to go ahead and get out so it can be warming up, and the Bang Bang sauce. And these are gonna be good. We need about a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of the sweet chili sauce, 1/4 cup, and I'm just eyeballing this, a tablespoon of the honey, a teaspoon of sriracha or more. I think I'll go with probably about 1.5 teaspoons of the sriracha. We'll just set this over to the side and wait for the chicken to get done.
Good, look at that.
Yeah, I tasted the sauce with a little piece of chicken. That is really good.
Very good.
Great.
I'm not kidding, that's a good thing.
Yeah.